Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I'm April Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
We're excited to get our day started with you. Today
and
we
Mochi
have
too.
Oh, and Mochi. Yes, he's waking up as well. Yeah, we're excited to have about a 10-minute power walk for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. 30-second rounds of brisk walking, interspersed with 50-second rounds of exercises to wake your body up.
That'll really wake you up.
Yes. Yep. So my mom's going to be doing this seated in a chair if Mochi gets out of the way, and I'll be doing it standing. And if you like, you can challenge yourself by using some light weights, water bottles, cans, bags of beans. That's right. Or have wrist weights; those work too. Okay. So clear the area. Have any rugs, please get them out of the way or tape them down. And then also have water handy. It's super important to stay hydrated. All right, Mom, any thoughts on this wonderful morning?
Where's the cuppa?
That's afterwards. All right? You're going to work for your cuppa. All right, so we'll take a quick pause and get started. Okay, so let's warm up, all right?
All right.
So have a seat, Mom.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's wake this body up. Do you have a nice sleep last night?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
All right.
Stretching before you go to sleep.
That's right.
Helps you sleep.
Stretching before you go to sleep, in the morning, and also nice to do a nice morning workout with us. So great job. Okay, march it out, everyone. All right, give me some nice little heel touches forward. Yes, get everything moving here.
Yeah.
It's nice to just move the body.
Wake up.
That's right. Okay. Very good. And march it out. You know what? Good for you for showing up here this morning and getting your day started with us. That's like the biggest step. Okay, so good for you. Okay, give me some nice little reaches. Stretch it out. Yeah, just taking that first step in the morning can make all the difference in the world. So,
just
good job.
Be glad you woke up. That's all.
That's right. Every day is a gift, and it's a new opportunity to have a great day, right?
It's good to be vertical. Always.
That's right. Okay, march it out. Right.
So
it's okay to be horizontal.
It's okay to be horizontal when you're sleeping.
Excellent to be vertical.
But in the morning, be vertical.
That's right. All right. Very, very nice. Okay. Give me some step forwards, Mom. Okay. Step forwards. They're like heel touches, but I just want you to get those toes going here. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Good job. And 4, good, and 3, and 2, and 1. Okay, stop the feet. Let's give me those nice little head tilts to the side, and to the side. Good. I want you to look. Center, look. Center, and nice little gentle shoulder rolls. Getting those neck muscles going. Yeah, back muscles. Good. One more, and reverse it. Good. 2, 3, and 4, and very nice. Nice job on this quick morning warm up. We'll take a pause and get started with our workout. All right, so we're just going to kick it off with some nice, gentle walking here.
Okay.
Now these walking intervals are designed for you to go at your own pace, okay?
Oh boy.
Oh yes, okay. So just like walk it out here. If you want to go faster than us, that's okay. But this is your workout, and you need to wake up. So I'm just kind of taking it slow in the beginning here. We got about six intervals of these 30-second walks, so you have time to ramp it up, okay? All right, so let me show you the first move. It's basically gonna be a step out, okay? Just like that, with punches forward. Okay, Mom?
Yep.
Okay, so you're still marching it out, good job, okay? All right, so it's stepping out with 2 punches forward, okay? Just punching it forward, yeah, okay? Look, that's it. And we're here for 50 seconds.
Oh boy.
Okay? So go at your own pace. I know everyone has to wake up, so you want to go slower than us, that's okay. Okay? We're going to be doing.
You could do this during the day, couldn't you?
You sure could. You absolutely could.
Can't you have an afternoon wake-up call?
That's right. Yes. So note to self: this little morning wake-up call could be an afternoon wake-up call, or even an evening pick-me-up if you want to.
That's a good one. Yeah.
But it's really nice to start your day with these workouts. Okay, good. Keep it going. And breathe. We're almost there.
Oh, good.
Keep it going. Oh, we're going to go into that brisk walk next in a few seconds. Okay? Yeah. And we're on. Okay, so now we're just going to march it out. Okay, you can march it out forward, march it out back. This is your time to power walk it out.
Yeah.
Okay?
I didn't put my...
Keep it going. Good job. Breathe, breathe, breathe. I'm gonna show you the next move while you're marching, okay? Okay, it's a coordination move, so it's 4 kicks. 1, good. 2, 3, and 4 with 4 side reaches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, kick, and kick, kick, and kick. Give me 4 side reaches. Side, 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 4 kicks. Kick, kick, good. Kick, and kick 4 side. Side, side.
I better be careful.
Side.
You can knock me out.
That's right. Okay, give me that kick. Good. And kick. Give me a kick. Give me a kick. And side. Breathe, everyone. Yes, wake it up. And kick it out. Kick, 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 and side, side. Breathe. Good coordination, everyone. Kick it out. Kick it out. Kick it out. Yes. And side. I'm getting you going this morning,
I'm telling you.
Give me a kick. Give me a kick. Give me a kick. Give me a kick. Just finish it out. And side, side. Good. Side and side. March it out. Okay, nice work. Roll, roll, roll. Okay, keep it going. Everyone marching it out? You feeling your body wake up?
Yep.
Okay.
It's ready to go back to sleep now.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Stay awake. Stay awake. Stay awake. Okay. Now, next one is just going to be double taps. Okay, this is what the feet look like.
Okay.
Okay, now, okay, so double tap with the arms to the side. Double tap, arms to the side. Go out to the side, Mom. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, nice and gentle. Tap and tap. Good. Tap and tap. Yes. Tap and tap. Believe it or not, you're working on your balance here.
Really?
Yes. You're shifting your weight, going from side to side. You're getting those arms moving. You have to stabilize yourself. Even if you're seated. Step and step. Go slow. Good. Step and step. Really coordination. Working your coordination here. Breathe. Keep going. Looking good, everybody. Oh yeah. Breathe it out. Breathe it out. Good job. A few more seconds here. Breathe. Woohoo. Yes.
Whew.
And very nice. March it out. Whoa. Are you getting dewy?
Yes.
I
Very
am.
dewy.
Good job. Okay, yeah, so march it out. Starting to feel energized?
Yep.
Okay, good job. All right. Now, next move. Double knee ups, okay? It looks like this. This is up and up. Okay, knee up.
Okay.
Up and up with 4 back swims. 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay?
Okay.
I want you to work your coordination. Knee up, other knee up, knee up, knee up. Back swim. 1, 2, good. 3, and 4. Double knee ups. Up, up, shift, up, up, back, back, yes, back, and back. Knee up, yes. Bring it back, back, and back, yes, back, and back. Knee up. Keep going. You're looking good. And back it. Feel like I'm swimming.
Yeah, backwards.
Yes, knee up. Knee up. Back stroke. Single arm. And one more. Knee up. One more knee up, and knee up. Good, march it out. Get your power walking in. Nice
All
work,
right,
everybody.
Keep
Woo.
going.
All right. Keep it going, looking good. You're coming down.
Yes.
Coming down to the home stretch pretty soon.
Pretty soon. Good job.
Now this one is just gonna be stepping, okay? We're gonna do 4 steps, then we're gonna do some like single arm goal post moves. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, arm and arm.
Okay.
Okay, that's what it looks like. Breathe, everyone. Woo-hoo. You ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Give me that arm. Give me the arm. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me the arm. And arms, almost like a little backstroke, but it's not. 4.
You're
Back.
just getting ready for football.
Right, that's right. Football season. Goal post. Goal post. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goal post. Yes. Goal post. 1, 2, 3. Give me goal post. Give me goal post. Yes. 2, 3. Goal post. Goal post. And march it. Goal post. And yes. Keep it going. Are you feeling it?
Yep. Yep.
Keep it going. I see your coordination. Very good.
Yeah, that's
This is
true.
1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Nice work.
My brain cells.
Woohoo. Okay, get your steps in. We got 2 more sets
Okay.
of the different exercises working your body, okay?
All right.
Breathe, everyone. You're doing great. Doing great on this morning energizer. Okay, next move. Nice, easy peasy. Toe
Okay.
taps. Toe taps. You know this, toe taps. And then I want you to just bring it in with the arms. Okay?
Okay.
It gives like, bring it in.
Okay.
Bring it in. So you're standing with me. So this toe tap, toe tap. You can just do it like singles. How's that? Does that make it easier? Single arms. Okay? How's that?
Single arm or double?
Oh, double, I'm sorry. Bring it toe tap and toe tap. Good. Toe tap and toe tap. Good. If you want to double up the arms, you can. So it looks like this. Okay? You get triples in there, good for you. But 2 is good enough for me. That's good, Mom. Bring it in. Bring it in. Just bring it in. Bring it in. Yes. Loop it in. Loop it in. Nice. This is good for balance, coordination, getting your brain working with your muscles. So, nice work.
Brain cells are saying, wait,
And march it out.
what's going on?
That's right. Brain cells like, wait a minute, I'm still waking up here.
I'm still sleeping here.
Well, that's why we're doing these different moves so you can wake everything up. All right, so keep it going. Nice work, everyone. All right. We're going into our last little exercise.
All right.
Okay? Breathe it out. This one's kind of a fun one. Let me show it to you. You know, the out, out, in with the feet. And our arms are just going to follow it. Out, out, in, and in.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah.
So let's
Close
do
it up.
this. Out, out, in, and in. Let's do it. Out, out, in, and in. Out, in. Good. Looking good. Very proud of you.
Thank you very much. The couch looks good to me.
Yes, and you're probably wondering, can I have a cup of coffee soon?
My cuppa is waiting.
Yes, that is waiting for you. Also, please do try to eat some breakfast.
Yep. Protein.
Eat some protein. Very
Get some
important to
protein.
start your day with protein,
Have
everyone.
at least
Okay?
20 to 25 grams.
25 grams for women, about 30 grams for men.
Yeah.
Okay? Get your body going in the morning with some fuel for the day. Very, very important. Okay, march it out. This is our last interval, so make it good. I'm going to give me some fast feet here. You want to just do it your own pace. But this is your morning energizer, so make it good. Okay? Breathe,
Yeah.
breathe, breathe, breathe.
Get yourself ready to
That's
go
right.
back to sleep. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, very good. Keep it going. A few more seconds. Few more seconds. Looking great. Looking great. Looking great. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Woo.
And rest, everyone.
Good
Congratulations on completing this Energizer workout. Now, if you want more Energizer workout, you can either rewind it to the start
job. Good for you.
or
You
do one other of
Proud of you.
our other workouts. Okay, so super proud of you for getting your day off on this right foot and the left foot. Okay, so let's just cool it down. Breathe. You deserve it. Big kudos to you for starting your day off
Yeah.
with movement. You know, you started it off on a very positive note,
Yep. You feel good? Hi, baby.
and you have another wonderful day ahead.
Mochi's even ready to go. You can see him.
I think he's ready for breakfast.
He's on a diet today.
Yes, he is.
Putting Mochi on a diet.
He's at 20 pounds and he needs to lose some. So we've got him on the yes to next diet and exercise plan. All right, very nice. Okay, stop the feet. Give me 3 inhale, exhales up, please. Inhale up and exhale. Good. Inhale up and exhale, everybody. Yes, and one more. Inhale up and clap at the top. Give me that nice stretch. Are you going to stretch with us, Mochi? Yes, hello. Good morning. Yes, good. You say good morning to everybody. That's really nice. Oh, yes. And come on down. All right. Excellent work, everybody. We wish you a wonderful day or even afternoon or evening. and we look forward to seeing you real soon. If you like this video, give it a like, please share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate all your support. Look forward to seeing you real soon, and have a great day.
See you soon.